there, the heat of the sun. Oo.
So, ang katuan
Kaya ginabot kami nga mga pi. We're gonna have coffee in the middle of the afternoon.
Oh no.
Or perhaps some smoothies. Or mojitos. Or frappe. And then perhaps later, if Baskin Robbins is open.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Tara. Pwede na. Ang tuhod ko. Kadalagan.
Nadlook ko na di pa rin.
Okay.
It's like so scary.
Binatansya ko lang. Ako binatansya ko lang. Harap ko sila after. Adra o? No, kasi hindi.
Why?
Diba?
So we were able to cross the highway, thankfully, safely. Yeah, like going up and downstairs is such a torture. Like, grabe. Like, not only is my knees and my back hurting, I'm also always out of breath. Kaya ang akon nga asthma. My gosh. It's been a long while since I've been here. Perhaps the last time I was here was when we first, came together, the three of us.
Oh, ano na yung shawarma? Lain man na yung shawarma, ginatag niya. Of course,
Siguro.
Di ba lang may na di nga coffee shop before?
Huh?
Ara, magyapon, ang Arthur. Pero
Yeah.
lain na iya, garo.
Lain pa gid na siya.
Lain sa aton nga.
It's okay, man. I think I have a colleague nga who
Tita,
prefers
naon
that one.
Sige, be. Let's see.
Is it
Kung
open now?
wala, kung hindi okay, dirita eh. Ano ta?
Daw nag-level up ang ini nga area. I used to come to this place before kay the colleague I was having carpool with lives here. Is it open? I think so. Would you like us to try this one?
Can you focus Arthur?
Arthur's
Okay. Yeah, let's
Roastery. Oh, there's also roastery. So that means, is there a shawarma inside? Oh, okay. Wrong. It's going to the side. First time here. Do you have a menu? Thank you. Oh, wait. I have my glasses on.
Bye. Ito yung taga dito.
They don't have smoothies. They don't have frappes. They only have hot and cold brew of coffee. But it looks interesting because they have a roastery where they can roast beans.
Interesting kami gwapo. May mga gwapo nga nagapungko.
This way or that way? Which one? Which one? Where do we open? Here, I think. Hello. You have smoothies, right? Yeah, we have. Yeah, you have more choices. I want the cold ones. Thanks, like this. Where is that?
This is
In English.
Yeah.
You have the English menu?
No, but I can explain.
Huh?
I can explain to you.
Okay. We want like frappes.
This is Faraula.
What's that?
Blueberry.
Blueberry and
This is mango.
mango,
This is passion.
passion.
And then this is mango passion.
What's the first one?
Blueberry. Strawberry, sorry.
Strawberry. It looks like this?
Yes.
Yeah, I want the strawberry one. And then you have like croissants and all.
So it looks like this because this is milkshake. We put inside milk. But this one, it's a smoothie.
Smoothie.
Yeah.
Oh, wait.
Hey, hello.
You want a smoothie or a frappe?
Definitely.
This is a milkshake.
Yeah.
You want a milkshake?
Sure. What do you have?
So the milkshake,
Yes.
strawberry milkshake you
Yes,
have.
of course we have.
What else?
Passion
Can you
fruit, I
read it
think.
for us?
We have mango. We
Mango.
have passion. We have
Strawberry.
even mango passion. We have even blackberry. Yeah, and strawberry.
Blackberries.
There should be a cream topping on the milkshake, right?
There is some
No.
orders. There is some orders we don't put.
No.
You
I
want it?
wanted, yeah.
But yeah,
There
I
should-
can put it, no problem.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then
Thank
panini. This is a,
Yeah,
but
this is
the
the
other
chicken
cake is
panini.
not yet here.
I know we are going
You're
to-
still doing.
You're making it now. Wow,
Yeah.
it's so fresh.
Yeah, I wanted the
Okay,
whipped
no
cream.
problem. No problem.
Can you put
Okay, no
some?
problem.
Can you put? Because it feels like more milkshakey
Okay, no
if
problem.
there's a whipped cream.
Yeah.
That's good.
Yeah.